Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on Train Your Brain from first chapter. For this you can refer our textbook page numbers 30 and 31. Okay. First question. The numeral for 7583 is 7000. What is the digit in thousands place? 7. Yes, you are having 7 in all the three options. 500. So, hundreds place digit is 5. In which option you are having that? In option C. 7583. 8 is there in tens place and 3 is there in ones place. So, this is our correct option. 7583. So, let's choose option C. Next one. Which of the following is incorrect? 4900 is equal to 49 hundreds. 4900. That means how many hundreds are there in 4900? 49 hundreds are there. So, this is correct statement. 3666. What is the expanded form for this? 3000 plus 600 plus 60. What is the expanded form for this? 3000 plus 600 plus 6 is there in tens place. So, 60 plus 6 is there in ones place plus 6. But the given one is 3000 plus 600 plus 6. 60 is missing. So, this is incorrect statement. Next one. 2096. That can be written as 2 thousands, 9 tens and 6 ones. Yes, that is true. 7815. In 7815, 7815. So, this is the correct word name, right? Which one is correct among all the four? Option B is incorrect. So, tick option B. Okay. Which of the following is incorrect? Option B is incorrect. Next one. Which of the following is the smallest odd number? Smallest odd number among all the four. If you are going to select any odd number, what you will do? You have to select the digits in ones place. For every odd number will have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in their ones place. Which of the following options are having those? See, here in ones place you are having 3 and here it is 9 and here it is 9 and here also it is 7. So, all are having odd numbers in ones place. So, all the numbers are odd numbers. But among them you have to choose smallest. Smallest means which one is smallest? You have to compare them. How will you compare? By selecting from the digit in thousands place. In all the options you are having the same digit in thousands place. So, you go for the next digit, that is the digit in hundreds place. Here it is 7 and here it is 7, 3 and 9. Which one is small from all the three? 3 is smaller. So, 5379 is the smallest odd number. So, choose 5379. Next one. Which of the following is the short form for 2000 plus 600 plus 8? 2000 plus 600 plus 8. See, what is the short form for 2600 plus 8? 2608, right? In which option you are having that? In option B you are having 2608. Next one. Given below are 4 cards from a deck of number cards. Which is the largest possible 4-digit number? Largest possible 4-digit number that can be formed using all the cards. Okay. What is the largest possible number? How will you write it? By writing the given digits in descending order. How will you write the given digits in descending order? First greatest digit is 8 and the next one is 6 and the next one is 5 and the last one is 2. So what is the largest possible 4-digit number using the given cards? 8652. In which option you are having that? In option 1. That is A. So choose option A. Next, fill in the blanks. We write TH for, in place value chart, TH stands for thousands. TH stands for thousands. One more than any given number is the dash of the given number. One more than any given number. What do you mean by one more than any given number? You will get it's just after number. Right? Just after number can also be called as successor. Successor is the successor of the given number. Dash numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by 2. Which numbers cannot be divided by 2? Even numbers can be divided by 2. Odd numbers cannot be divided by 2 because you will get a reminder. So, you can write odd numbers cannot be divided by 2 exactly because you will get reminder. Next one. To compare numbers, we start from the digits on the dash in the order of their place values. From where you will compare? While comparing the digits, you will go from your left hand side. That means highest place value onwards. Right? So, you have to write left. In Roman numerals, there is no dash chart. There is no place value chart. There is no place value chart. Roman numerals are not having any place value chart. Match the following. 10 tens. 10 tens make 100. So choose option C here. 37. 37 means, how will you write 37 in Roman numerals? Triple X means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 37. So, you can choose option D here. Next, odd numbers which cannot be divided by 2. Odd numbers which cannot be divided by 2. So, choose option A. 10 ones. 10 ones make 110. So, choose option E. 9569. What is the expanded form for this? 9000s plus 500s plus 6 tens plus 9 ones. So, choose option B. Okay. Next one. Write T for true statement and F for false statement next to the given statements. Okay. We write THH for 10,000s. Is it true? What will you write for 10,000s, children? For 10,000s, you will write TH. TH stands for thousands and T stands for 10. So, you will write TTH. But here the given one is THH. So, this is a false statement. We need to write F here. Roman numeral system uses only 7 symbols to write any number. That is true because you will use only 7 symbols in Roman numeral system to write any number. Okay. So, this is a true statement. 1 less than any given number is the successor. 1 less than any given number is its just before number. So, it is not successor. It is predecessor. Okay. 3 is false statement. Numbers which are divided by 2 exactly are called even numbers. Yes, numbers which are divided by 2 exactly, that means without any remainder, are called even numbers. This is a true statement. 10 hundreds make 1000. 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds means 1000. 10 hundreds. 10 into 100. What is 10 into 100? It is 1000. So 10 hundreds make 1000. This is true statement. Okay children? Right. Like this you have to practice.